Describing your morning routine. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel English with Altaf. Today, we're going to learn how to describe your morning routine in simple English.
Hi guys! Yes, today's topic is very useful because we talk about our daily routines all the time. By the end of this video, you will be able to talk about your own morning routine clearly and confidently.
All right, Altaf. Let's begin. Can you tell me what you usually do in the morning?
Sure, Annie. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm. Then I sit on my bed for a minute to wake myself up properly. What about you?
That's nice. I also wake up around 6:30, but I like to stretch a little after I wake up. It helps me feel more active. After that, I make my bed. It's a habit I've had since I was a child.
That's great. After I wake up, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I take a quick shower. Taking a shower really helps me feel fresh and ready for the day.
Same here. A shower always wakes me up completely. After that, I put on my clothes. If I have to go outside, I choose what to wear according to the weather. But if I'm staying home, I just wear something comfortable.
I agree. Comfort matters when you're working at home. After getting dressed, I usually go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I like to eat something healthy. Most of the time, I eat eggs and bread with a cup of tea.
Yum! That sounds like a good breakfast. I usually eat oatmeal with fruits. Sometimes I drink a smoothie too. While eating, I like to listen to a podcast or some relaxing music. It makes my morning calm and peaceful.
That's a smart way to start the day. I usually check my phone during breakfast. I read messages, check emails, and look at the news. But I try not to spend too much time on my phone in the morning.
Yes, that's important. Too much screen time early in the morning is not good. After breakfast, what do you do?
After breakfast, I plan my day. I look at my to-do list and set goals for what I want to finish. I also take 10 minutes to read a book or watch something useful in English to keep learning.
Wow, that's productive. I also like to plan my day. I write down 3 important tasks that I must complete. I feel more focused when I know what I need to do.
That's true. A planned day always goes better. After planning, I start my work. Since I make YouTube videos, I start checking scripts or preparing topics. What about you, Annie?
I start my work too. If I have online classes, I set up my space and prepare my notes. If not, I start with reading or editing content. I also try to stay away from social media in the morning so I don't waste time.
That's a good idea. Staying focused in the morning sets the tone for the whole day. Now, Annie, let's help our viewers describe their own morning routines in English.
Yes, let's give a simple format they can follow. Here it is. I wake up at time. I stretch, make my bed, turn off my alarm. I go to the bathroom and wash my face, brush my teeth, take a shower. Then I get dressed, choose my clothes. I go to the kitchen and eat eggs, bread, oatmeal, etc. I listen to music, read the news, check my phone. I plan my day, make a to-do list, read a book. Finally, I start my work or school.
Perfect. You can use these sentences to make your own morning routine. You can also add or change the activities depending on your lifestyle.
Let's give a full example for practice. Altaf, can you give one?
Sure, here's my morning routine. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I turn off my alarm and sit up in bed. Then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and take a shower. After that, I get dressed and go to the kitchen. I eat 2 boiled eggs and drink a cup of tea. While eating, I check my phone and read the news. After breakfast, I make a to-do list and read for 10 minutes. Then I start working on my videos.
That's a great example. Now I'll give mine. I usually wake up at 6:30. I stretch for a few minutes and make my bed. Then I go to the bathroom to freshen up. I brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I choose my clothes and get dressed. I go to the kitchen and make oatmeal with fruit. I drink a smoothie too. While eating, I listen to a podcast. Then I sit down and write my to-do list for the day. I start my work by reading or editing content.
Now it's your turn. Take a notebook and write your morning routine using Easy English. You can follow the example we gave you.
And don't forget to speak it aloud. Speaking practice helps you become more confident and fluent in English.
Yes, practice makes perfect. You can also record yourself and listen to your pronunciation. That's a great way to improve.
Absolutely. So Altaf, let's quickly tell our viewers what they have learned today.
In this video, we talked about how to describe your morning routine in English. We shared our personal routines and gave you a clear format to follow.
We also showed you some useful vocabulary and example sentences. Now you know how to talk about your daily routine in a simple and clear way.
So keep practicing and try to describe your routine every day. That will improve your speaking and sentence building skills.
Thank you for watching English with Altaf. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep practicing. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.